Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will explore how to work with text in HTML, including headings, paragraphs, and text formatting. These elements are essential for structuring content on a web page and making it readable. Let's dive in. Headings in HTML. HTML provides 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6. Headings help organize content and improve accessibility and SEO. So here we can see H1, this is the biggest, and H6 is the smallest heading. So let's see how it seems on the web page. So as you can see, H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. We usually use H1 for the title of the page, 2 or H6 or others for structuring content logically. Paragraphs in HTML. So if we want to write a paragraph, we need to use p tag, P, and we need to close it like this. The paragraph tag is used to create paragraphs. Each paragraph automatically starts on a new line and has default spacing. So let's write a paragraph. This is a paragraph of text in HTML. So let's see how it seems on web page. So as you can see, it seems like this. If we want to put another paragraph, so it is going to seem below of the previous paragraph, as you can see. But if you write a span, for example, inside of a paragraph, span, this is a span tag. So it is going to be on the same line with paragraph. So we usually use this kind of spans for styling a text. For example, you can change color of this text or you can make it bolder. So maybe we can even write like this, B. So as you can see, it is bolder now. Let's see text formattings on HTML. So we have some common formatting tags. If we want to write bold text, we can use B tag as I showed here. This is a bold text. So as you can see, it is bold. We can also use strong tag if we want to write bold. This is another bold text, used strong tag. So as you can see, this is also bold, but they are in the same line. So paragraph p tag has a default feature. So for example, we write a paragraph here and another paragraph here, and they are not in the same line. So if we want to do the same here, we did not use paragraph, and because of this reason, they are on the same line. So we can fix this by using br tag. So as you can see, they are not in the same line now. It has break now. To write italic, we can use I tag. This is an italic text. So we need to use br tag again because it is on the same line. Br. So e tag helps you to write text in italic format. We can also use em tag if we want to write italic. Em. This is another italic text. So as you can see, this is also italic. Let's use br again. We can use U tag for underlined text. U tag. This is an underlined text. So as you can see, it is underlined. We also have strike through text. It represents deleted or incorrect text. So we can use S tag for it. S strike through text. So as you can see, it represents deleted or something incorrect. And we can also use del tag for this. Del. Another strike through text. So it is the same. We can use mark tag if we want to highlight a text. Highlighted text. So as you can see, it is highlighted. We can use sub or sub tags. These tags are used for scientific formulas. So let's say we have a p tag, h sub 2, but let's write it like this: 0 subscript and x sub 2 super script, and it goes. So let's see how it seems. So as you can see, it seems like this. So this sub and sub usually used for math formulas. So we can make some examples using these tags. So I am going to use p tag here, p tag and b tag. Bold text makes words stand out. Here you can see this part is bold and other parts are normal. P tag I italic text makes it useful for emphasis. Here, as you can see, this part is italic and other part is normal. P, let's make a final example. Underlined text can be used for links or styling. Here, as you can see, this part is underlined and other part is normal. We have line breaks and horizontal lines. I already showed you the line breaks. It is BR tag. So we usually use it to have a break for tags like bold, strong, EM, U. So let's make another example. sorry, B, this is a bold text. E, this is an italic text. So as you can see, they are in the same line, but I need them in the different lines. So I can use BR tag here. So as you can see, they are not in the same line now. We can also use horizontal lines if we want to have some sections, or if we want to make it clear there are lines or sections. So let's give an example. P, first section, and let's make the different section second section. So now there is no any horizontal line. So how we can edit? We can edit with HR tag. So this is going to add a horizontal line, and horizontal line is this line. It seems like border bottom. So I hope that this is a good practice for you to understand text formats and text tags. I hope you like this video. I am going to be glad if you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. We will see you in the next lesson.